Hey guys, how you doing today? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. I just have a little bit of lipstick on, which I am going to take off because I'm going to do a voiceover get ready with me. However, I did want to mention one thing. There is a group of brushes that I am using in this get ready with me that were sent to me that are antibacterial brushes. It was an antibacterial brush set. The reason I asked for it is because I don't have any brushes that are antibacterial. Kind of piqued my interest, so I asked them to be sent to me. So I will kind of go over them a little bit more as I'm doing the get ready with me, but I did want to mention that a lot of the brushes I am using in this video are not my typical Real Techniques brushes. They are antibacterial brushes. I thought that is something interesting. Let's do this get ready with me. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to be doing yet. Let's just get started. These are the brushes that were sent to me from, I believe you pronounce it, Miracos. These were sent to me for review, and all opinions are my own honest review. I've been using this brush set for a while, and I can tell you so far, I really love it. It is beautiful. It comes in this travel case. The texture of the case is really cool. It feels really substantial. It has kind of that little wooden plaque on the front of it with the name of the brush company, and then when you open it up, each of the brushes are packaged beautifully. They're actually double wrapped. The larger brushes are sort of wrapped in plastic wrap, and then when you take that off, underneath the tip of the brush is in like a mesh netting to really help it keep its shape. The handle feels nice and sturdy. It's a wooden handle, has the name of the company on it. It's just such a classy brush set. This would be a great Christmas gift. I love these brushes so far. The color of the bristles is like this beautiful olive green. They're super soft. It's a 7-piece antibacterial makeup brush set. This is a cruelty-free brush set, which is really great if you're looking for cruelty-free products. And I'll go over each of the brushes as I use them in this video, but I wanted to let you know about this. I will definitely leave a 15% off coupon code in the description box that they gave me. Okay, we are drinking the coffee this morning at 5 a.m. and I think for this I am going to use a product that I had on my vanity that I totally forgot about, and it is this BB cream from Estee Lauder. To get started on this, I am going to start, like I always do, with my Cool as a Cucumber Ofra primer and moisturizer in one. I just ordered another bottle of this. I like this stuff so much. You know, I'm not even halfway through the bottle I already have, but I wanted backup, so I purchased another one. The scent on this is just so fresh and clean. I love it. It moisturizes my skin without making it feel greasy. It really helps with any dryness I have on my face. Just a really great moisturizer, and it acts as a primer. Another thing I always use on my face is this Kat Von D Lock It Concealer. I love to put this on my eyelids as a primer for my makeup. It also kind of acts like an eye lift. I don't know, when I put this on my eyes, it just kind of lifts them and brightens them. I love the consistency of it. It's a little bit more on the pasty side, but it really doesn't crease or do anything like that on my lids. I've been using this for a couple years now and really don't want to use anything else. I'll put all the products I'm using down in the description box with the colors that I'm using. I'm going to take the eye sweep brush from the Miracos brush set, and I'm going to use that to apply my Modern Renaissance shades. On the upper area of my lid, I'm going to use Golden Ochre, and then on my lid, I'm going to mix Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange. And later, when I do the crease, I am going to use Cypress Umber. And then on the brow bone area, I'll be using Tempera or Tempera. Right now, I am using the eye sweep brush to just lightly sweep on some of the golden ochre all over my lid and almost up into my brow bone area. Their eye sweep brush is supposed to diffuse and blend eyeshadows. It's supposed to give you an all-over color application on your eyelid, and you can also use it to detail certain areas like your crease. Now I'm using the same brush and mixing a little bit of the raw sienna and burnt orange shades. And I'm going to put that all over my lid and bring that all the way up into the crease. Since I'm using a BB cream, I don't want a heavy eye makeup look, so I just love to use this Modern Renaissance palette. You can get a really natural look. Now I'm going to define that outer crease area, and I'm going to take this brush from the set. It's actually their point concealer brush. You can use it for concealer, you can use it around your eyes, your nose, your chin, your mouth. It's really designed to be used as a concealer brush, but you know me, I'm going to use it as a creased brush instead, and I used Cypress Umber in the crease. And then to make sure everything is blended really well, I'm going to go back and use my eye sweep brush and mix raw sienna again with some of that burnt orange and just kind of go over all those areas so it looks seamless. And then for my brow bone, I am going to use tempera or tempura, however you say it. That's what I'm using on my brow bone. And then on the lid, I'm going to put a little bit of this Sally Girl Copper eyeshadow. Darlene from the House of Grey raved about it, and I really like it too. Now for a little bit of cleanup around my eye with a Q-tip. The next brush I'm going to be using is the angled eyeliner and brow brush. This is to use for an eyeliner or to shape your brows. I'm going to be using it as an eyeliner today, and I'm going to be using the Colorescience Black Gel Eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. It is so nice. So I just tightline my eyes. I'm going to curl my puny lashes now. I just ordered a heated eyelash curler. I will do a review on that as soon as I get it. To make my lashes look as good as possible, I'm using this Hourglass mascara. I think it's called Extreme Caution or Caution Extreme. This is the only mascara that I use now. It makes my puny lashes look at least half decent and presentable. I just really love the formula and the brush. Now my left eye is done, and I'm going to go off camera and do my right eye, and I'll be right back. This brush set does come with a tapered foundation brush to apply any type of fluid or cream foundation. However, for this BB cream, I just feel more comfortable rubbing this BB cream in from Estee Lauder with my hands. I think it just blends in a lot better. This BB cream gives you a very lightweight coverage, but I do like the consistency of it. It feels kind of like a very, very lightweight, maybe a super lightweight foundation. If you're looking for something that's lightweight and feels good on your skin, this is a nice BB cream. This is the Crescent White BB cream from Estee Lauder. It's supposed to be a brightening balm, and it has an SPF of 50. When I use this, it does make my face look a little whiter and brighter. And because it makes it look whiter, I always end up having to use a bronzer. Because this is such a lightweight BB cream, I'm going to kind of bring out a little bit more of my heavier duty concealers. I'm going to use two of them. They're both from Lancome or Lancome, however you want to say it. I will put the shades of these down in the description box because I don't have them off the top of my head. The one boo-boo I did make in this video was I forgot to use the point concealer brush from the Anti-Bacterial makeup brush set I was showing you. I use that for my crease instead. They do have a brush for concealer. And I know many of us use the Wayne Goss technique of giving yourself an eye lift. I've been using that for years. I didn't know it was a trick or tip. You just pull the concealer up. You just bring the concealer up at the corner of your eyes, and it sort of gives you an eye lift. Now I am taking my number 7 translucent powder and putting that under my eyes. That is my favorite powder to use under my eyes. Because the brightening effect of that BB cream seems to lighten up my darker olive complexion, I'm going to use the Santa Fe bronzer from Colorescience, and I'm going to take a brush from the makeup brush set. This is the oval powder brush. It's really nice and soft and dense. I really love it, and I'm going to use that to apply my powdered bronzer. Love this bronzer from Colorescience. The color is
gorgeous. It is Santa Fe. It is so soft and creamy, and it just gives a beautiful bronze coloring to your skin. This blush is from Buxom, and it was another recommendation from Darlene from the House of Grey. We both have the same skin coloring. This is called Breathless. It is from their True Hue Blush collection. I'm not sure if they make this anymore. I don't quite remember how I got this. I'm taking another brush from the set. This is their round blush brush. You can use this for blush, but what I'm going to use it for is to put a little bit of this IT Cosmetics powder around my nose, just in the T-zone area. So far, I am really loving these brushes. They're extremely soft and they work really well to apply my makeup. I'm just going to apply a little bit of the Milani setting spray to kind of help all the powders blend in together. And then I'm going to dab it off, and I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera and leave my eyebrow routine video down in the description box. I'm not going to be using this brush from the set, but they do have a lip brush. It has a firm and tapered tip, and it's great for blending, contouring, and defining your lip. Right now I'm taking the tapered foundation brush, and instead of using it to put on cream foundation, I'm going to stick it into the balm that's in the top little compartment of the Estee Lauder BB cream. I use this to highlight. It makes my cheeks look really wet and dewy. If you don't like dewy, you're not going to like this. I really think it's a beautiful highlighter and brightening balm for your cheeks. And last but not least, the thing that makes everything wonderful, lipstick. And I'm using a lipstick that I love. It is from Tom Ford. It is called First Time. It is a stunning color, perfect for my skin tone to give me that nude look but not wash me out and make me look like a corpse. I really think almost anybody could use this color. It is just so pretty. It's a warmer color, but it's so natural looking. I'm just going to put this all over my lips. I'm just going to top it off with a little bit of this Becca lip gloss. So that is the finished look, a very natural look using that Estee Lauder Crescent White BB cream. I'm going to do my hair so I look half decent to go out this morning. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I will put the promo code for that antibacterial travel makeup brush set down in the description box. It is really a nice set. I really like mine. It would be a great gift for the holidays. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.